Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the remove duplicate characters and rebuild the clean string. So this program removes the duplicate characters from a given string and while preserving the order of their first occurrence. So we have written the package name and we have imported the required Java class files. And so this program going to remove the duplicate characters from the given string. So what does this mean is like keep only the first occurrence of the each character and remove any repeated character that appear after. So suppose I am taking the example like and my input is automation testing. So from this I'm going to remove the repeated characters like A and T and so which are repeating twice and thrice. So I'm going to remove that characters and finally I'm going to print output like automate and energy. So no repeated characters. So I'm going to choose. So here how we are going to follow the logic is like a step 1 we are going to create an empty linked hash set. So with ensure the uniqueness and preserve the order. And step 2 like loop through each character in the string and add to the set. Duplicates are ignored. And step 3 we are going to rebuild string from the set. So here is my character how it is going to be added. So input equals to automation testing. So A added, U added, T added, O added, A added, M added, I added, N added, space added. So capital T added, E added, S added. So T again with checking with duplicate. So it will ignore it. So I already we got it here. So it is duplicate and ignore. And N we got added here. So it will duplicate it and it is ignored. And G. So final set is A U T O A M I N. So capital T E S G. So capital T and small t are not the same. So not equal here. So we need to convert to the lowercase. Then it will do the duplicated and it will ignore. So we are keeping as a capital letters. So capital and small letters are not equal. So final output we are going to get a string without the duplicates like Autoamin Tesg. So summary is like which removes the duplicate characters and keep only the first occurring and preserves the original order. So time and space complexities for time is walk and space is walk and. So optional enhance convert to the lowercase before processing. So case insensitive and ignore the spaces or punctuations have we discovered. So now let us see the code how we are going to write down. So initially we are going to write down a class name. So remove duplicate characters and public static void main. So which is main method. So input string input equals to automation testing and we are using the linked hash set to store the unique characters in order. And for that I am going to like set character set equals to new linked hash set. And now next step like adding characters and ignoring the duplicates. For that I am using an and fit for the loop. So where input input automation testing and converting into the characters and storing into the C and which is a character data type and set dot add C. And next moving to next step like build result from the unique characters. So here I am using the string builder. So string builder result equals to new string builder. So again I am using the enhance for loop where set is stored into the C and character data type and the result dot append C. So finally I am printing the output. So system dot output string without the duplicate characters. So here my result and the result of two string. So finally final output string will be printed in the console. So this is the code. I'm going to run the code. So now let us launching the remove duplicate characters and we will see the output. So like it is a string without the duplicate characters. So string without the duplicate characters is this. So that's how it works.